Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Fortnite Matchmaking error 1. So the first thing what you need to do here, if you're playing on the party with your friends, what you need to do here is to press unready from the game. And what you need to do here, when you hold on the party, press unready, let first the party leader basically ready up, and after that you and your friends can ready up as well, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to simply go to the settings here. Then you need to press on the gear icon here, and then you need to, on the matchmaking region, select auto. And if auto is selected, then what you need to do here is to select the server with the lowest ping and try to run the game. And still, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to try to reset your internet connection or Wi-Fi router if you're using. So just reset the router, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you're using Ethernet cable on settings or manually, you can turn this Ethernet off. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if you're having the issues here, then you just need to go here on account and privacy. If you're using console, on the as you can see here on the gameplay privacy, it should be cross play button, so, or cross platform. I'm using PC, so I'm not seeing this option, but if you're using a console and you have this issue, what I suggest you to do here is to turn on the cross platform play. And another thing that you can do here, if you're having this issue, you just need to go to play, and then you just need to scroll down until you see custom key. So you need to press on that, and if you put some custom keys here, what I suggest you to do here is to delete all the keys here and accept it, and then restart your game and try the game, and it should fix your problem. But if you are on PC, I will show you a few different methods that should work for you. So if you're playing not on console, also you can do these steps, but I don't know how on console, so I will show you on PC. Right, so first of all, if you're getting this error, you just need to go to settings, network and internet, and then it should be here network reset, and reset your internet. If you're using a Ethernet cable, you're good to go, but if you're using Wi-Fi, you will need to put the Wi-Fi password again on your computer after this after completing this step, so keep in mind that. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you just need to go to, as you can see here, advanced network settings. Then you need to look for your internet connection here. Then you need to go to more adapter options, and then here make sure protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on internet protocol version 4. And then here select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. Also, you can do that on console, just Google it out. You can easily change the, I believe, DNS servers, so you can do on PS4 or PS5 or Xbox as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.